In this video, I will be showing you how to create a photo collage in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the search bar at the top and typing photo collage to explore the available templates. I'm going to scroll through the results to find a layout that catches my eye. I like this minimalist interior design template, so I'll click it to see the preview. It looks perfect, so I'll click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the project loads, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for minimalistic. I'll filter the results to show only photos so I can find images that match my theme. To start customizing, I simply drag a photo over one of the existing frames to replace it. I'll continue dragging and dropping different images into each frame. If an image isn't centered quite right, I'll double-click it to adjust the crop and then click Done. I'll keep filling in the rest of the frames with photos that complement the aesthetic. Now I'll click on the text at the bottom to make some adjustments. I'm going to drag the corners to resize the text box and move it into a better position. To finish the look, I want to change the background. I'll go back to the search bar and look for a marble texture. Once I find one I like, I'll right-click the image and select Replace Background. Finally, I'll click the transparency tool at the top and slide it down to make the marble pattern more subtle. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional photo collage in just a few minutes.